Well, it's a nice 74 degrees out today. It's not real hazy, even though, well, I mean, back there it is. Air smells like smoke because of what's going on in Canada. Hopefully everybody's doing okay over there. And for the first time, I'm showing off my Duraforce. I've never showed off on the channel before. Well, let me rephrase that. I had one years ago and sold it when we moved out here. Bought this at a flea market for 125 bucks. Swapped out the shroud because I'm not a big fan of the black shroud. I still have it, so if I want to change it back, I can. But this is a, what I think is a 2000 model Lawnboy 10324. Got the 6.5 horsepower Duraforce engine. I had the screws loosened up, which I'll show you right now, actually. It's got the wrong throttle cable on it, because I thought it would fit. Turns out it's for a 10550. So we're going to go ahead and take this apart, put the right throttle cable on, and hopefully get it to start. Okay, lost. My GoPro's not charging for whatever reason, so go ahead and lower this down. That's for when I booted my god uncle's last, before the original cable broke. Hey, it's starting, my eyes are starting to burn a little bit. It's alright though. Not the first time I've been through it. So, basically what I have to do is I have to unscrew this. Well, yeah, I have to unscrew this. I have to put the new cable on, and it should hopefully work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get on this side here. Oh, no, that's a 10 millimeter. Alright, let me grab I think it's a 10. Let me verify and I'll be back. Okay, we're on a slight change in twist of events here. Turns out my screwdriver, well, this little end right here actually fits. I'm not sure what size it is. Let's see if I can get this to unscrew. Oh yeah, there it goes. Alright. Making some progress here. So we'll unscrew that, and it actually came out way easier than I thought it would. Okay, let's get this screw out of here because I'm going to need that. Come on, there you go. Alright, now we're going to, I can remember how to do this without pulling the carburetor because I really do not feel like doing that today. Alright, that's off. So now, I don't know, can you guys see? Yeah, you can see that, okay. So now I'm going to take an 11, so this is an 11 millimeter for this nut right here. And this has a Phillips screw holding it on for God knows what reason. But we're going to go ahead and take that off. I say that while I have a spider crawling up my arm. That's okay. Yep, okay. Alright, here's the old one. Now we grab the new one, which is over here. This is the right one. See, it's a little longer. It should work perfectly fine. And now I gotta remember how to do this. I think it goes, now it's outside of it. Yep, okay. Alright, now, without cross-threading this, which seems to be a recurring habit of mine, that back on, tighten this up. I guess I should probably get some wire ties too. Sure that does what it's supposed to do. That's a little too tight. Oh yeah, that's better. Awesome. Alright. So, now we're gonna take this end right here. I know you guys can't see it, but it's gonna slide into this little part. Yep, there we go. Sliding port right there. That goes in that sliding piece right here. Well, actually, let me see if I can show you. So basically what I'm trying to describe here is, pull it out a little bit. So this end piece right there slides into that hole, and then this slides in like this, and then it just screws on. So let me take care of that real quick. Yeah, I figured you guys could watch the Misfortune show while you're at it. Well, I'm in the middle of doing this. Where is the hole? There's that. Where does that go? That goes somewhere. There it is. Okay, let's not lose that because I need it. Screwdriver. Oh, there goes my bit. Okay, hold that up by. Screw this in. Oops. Screw this in. Get this where it needs to be. There it goes. It's taken. I'm pretty sure that's adjusted right. I have to take a look. Set that back up. I'm gonna screw that back in. Put some gas in it. We'll see if it starts. Okay, well, we got her all gassed up. I think I need to raise this up just a tad bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay, open up the fuel valve. If I can remember which way it goes. There it goes. Alright. Let it fill up for a second. Make sure my fuel line's holding. Yeah, it is. Alright. See if we can prime it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could just be sitting for a while. See what it does. Hopefully it don't run away. Well, that's a lot better than it was. I think I need to adjust the idle speed a little bit, but I'm happy with it. There we go. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead inside because my eyes are starting to water. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you later.